Okay, I ordered my shelves from Uline. I ordered these because of the weight that it holds, and then I could put wheels on it. I ordered them Sunday night, and they're here on Tuesday. It's not Amazon. Oh, also I forgot, I got a free gift. Because I spent more than $250. And they had a bunch of different gifts. You get some free gifts for depending on how much you spend. Well, this is nice. Washington. All right. I forgot about this company. I used to use them when I had my business going, ordering supplies and stuff like that. These are the wheels. And let's finish opening up this. These should be the rods. Now, if you want to, they have self-leveling feet. Must be 2 in here. I'm not even going to open them because I'm not going to use them. I want the wheels. Now, I bought the shelves, but I added an extra shelf. It was only supposed to come with 3. And, or actually, I think it was only supposed to come with 2, and I wanted 3. So I paid for extra shelf. I think there's 2 in each box. I didn't realize I was paying for 2. I thought it was too much money for 1 extra shelf, but that's what I wanted, so I bought it. And now I understand why they're giving me 2 for that price. I know I'll use it for something. Okay. All right. Wire shelves. Have these caps. Nice strong wire shelf. Okay, when you pull the shelves out, it has a frame here, and this is a little bigger than this, so you're going to have to put these on. Okay. So you're going to set up where you want to put the wheels. Set up where you want to put the shelves. So again, they come with these little clips. Okay, and they just fit together. One inside the other. Okay, now they have a little groove in here, one towards the bottom and one towards the top. Okay, and again, it looks a little wider on the bottom. The plastic's a little wider on the bottom, and then thinner on the top. So now, because the wheels are going to make this shelf 6 inches taller, I'm going to put it on these last 2 grooves. Okay, these last 2 grooves, so that the plastic sits on, there you go, onto that groove. So now it's not sliding, it's going to stay right there. Put the other one on. Okay. Now these are small, so I can do this. Slide it through. Let your plastic be there. Okay. Get the next one. Do the same thing. The thinner plastic's at the top, the thicker on the bottom. Okay. Get the groove that's in here. You have 2 grooves. Okay. You place them onto this groove. There, snapped on. Okay, so you know that's going to stay. Okay, now let's put this in. Okay, okay. Okay. The casters have this ring on here. And so when it goes into the pipe, it sits in nice and firmly. It's not going to pop out, which is very good. But it makes it difficult to go in. So get a mallet. All right, get it all the way in there. That was a lot tougher than I thought. But this holds 1,000 pounds. So what I'm putting on here is going to be 600. So I'm 400 under what it's rated for. I like to be 50%, but I'm close enough. And I'm only putting 60% of the weight on it. And I feel confident with it because this seems very strong. All right, let me get these wheels on, and then we'll get to the rest. Okay, I came up with an idea. I think I'm going to just make sure those are in good so the shelf doesn't fall. All right, now that's much better. Put the wheels on. All right. Okay, I'm going to lock at least 2 of the wheels. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to measure the height where we want to put the next shelf. I know I want a minimum of 19 inches between these so that I can put my units on here that I'm looking to do. Okay, so I know I want a minimum of 19 inches in between. So when I go to put this plastic on, we want to be as close to 19 with the bottom of this. And then I know that's going to be what we're looking for. Okay, that's 19 and a half. So, and then if you look at the bottom, it hangs down a little bit, probably gives us another half. It'll probably be 20 inches. Okay, so now what's happening is I didn't need to order the extra shelf because I'm only going to be able to do 2 shelves. I was hoping to put another shelf on top to have an extra place to store things, but that's okay. All right, let's get these on. Now they made these with double ring and then these, so we want to be just below the double ring. only spun it around because it has a name on here, and I have the name facing this way, so why not do it that way? Okay. Okay. Now it has top where you can stop the wheels, and that's it. Oh, it's nice. Now I'm going to put my Delta Pros on here. Build with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up.
This is awesome. It worked out quite well. I'm very impressed.